really nice vegetarian dish. Don't go, it's really good, I promise. The very first step in the process involves roasting a sweet potato. This is good for 2 servings of this dish. I'm only going to make 1 serving right now, so I'm going to save the other half of the roasted potato for tomorrow. But anyway, you roast this in advance in the oven, 350, for about, I don't know, an hour or so. I kind of cheated with this one. I microwaved it first for about 6 minutes, and then I roasted it for about a half hour. Just coat it with a little oil, and cook it until a fork very easily comes in and out on all sides. I need to peel this and then cut it roughly into chunks. I've cut it in half, and I just want to show you how beautiful it is. Steam is coming out of it. Sweet potatoes are very nutritious, and they're extremely flavorful. So you really should not just eat them at Thanksgiving. You should really incorporate them into the rest of your diet. Try substituting regular potato with sweet potato. It's awesome. The skin just peels right off.
Hi, Salaya. You're looking really cute this evening.
So that's prepped. I also have a large clove of garlic that I have minced and that I'm pointing at with my middle finger. I also have here a pot of water with a little salt in it on high heat coming to a boil, and I have a tablespoon of butter in this large skillet. I also have about 2 cups of dry egg noodles waiting to go into the water. It's all on you, water. When your noodle water is rapidly boiling, it's time to put in the noodles. From this point on, they're going to cook for about 8 minutes. So it's a good time to start the rest of the process of this dish. We're going to turn on this pan on medium-ish heat and just let that come to temperature. I'll be back in a few minutes.
Well, Pan, the butter's all melted in the pan. What do I do next? That's right. I need to put in the garlic and the sweet potatoes.
The noodles are about halfway cooked at this point. Only about 4 more minutes to go. So this is a good opportunity to start the rest of this dish. The sweet potatoes are already cooked. You just want to get them coated in the garlic butter. Noodles are just about done now, so I'm going to turn them off and drain them. They're ready to go. Next step in the process is to add in a generous couple handfuls of baby spinach. Just gently stir it a little bit to coat the spinach in some of the butter. At this point, we're going to put in some white pepper and some salt. We're just going to cover this for a couple minutes to let the spinach cook through. It's been about 1.5 minutes. Spinach is almost completely done. So dump in your noodles, stir them in. You can turn off the heat by now. I have a plate going in the microwave right now because this time of the year, I hate putting a nice warm dish on a cold plate. Ugh. Nice warm plate. And behold, its healthy, autumny, spinachy goodness. Wait, there's also sweet potatoes in there. That was the main point of this dish. Sweet potato-y goodness! I really don't remember how I invented this dish, but it is so good.